Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's lesson. I hope you're all doing well. Today, we're going to learn a beautiful and motivational poem called Life. In this lesson, I won't just read the poem. I will explain the meaning of each line, the important words, and the message behind every sentence in simple English. So, stay with me until the end. If you want to improve your English reading, vocabulary, and understanding, this lesson will be very helpful for you. Now let's begin our poem. Life is never meant to stop. In this line, life means our journey of living. Is never meant means was never intended, and to stop means to come to an end or give up. The message is that life is not meant to stop. No matter what difficulties we face, we should keep moving forward. Even through storms, we climb the top. Here, storms do not only mean bad weather. They also represent the problems, challenges, and hard times in our lives. We climb the top means we continue working hard until we achieve success. With silent pain deep in our heart, we still find strength to make a start. Silent pain means the hidden sadness or struggles that other people may not see. Strength means courage or power, and make a start means to begin again. This line teaches us to stay strong and keep trying, even when life is difficult. Some people stay, some walk away. Yet hope still shines with every day. This line reminds us that some people remain in our lives while others leave. However, hope always stays with us, and every new day brings a new opportunity. Dreams spread their wings across the sky, teaching us always to rise and fly. Dreams are our goals and ambitions. Spread their wings means to grow freely and without limits. Rise and fly means to become stronger, move forward, and achieve our dreams. Life is not about giving in. It's about fighting through thick and thin. Giving in means giving up. Through thick and thin is an English idiom that means staying strong in both good and bad times. This line teaches us that life is about courage, patience, and never giving up. The one who stands after every fall will one day proudly conquer all. This line tells us that the person who gets up after every failure will eventually succeed. Conquer means to overcome or defeat every challenge. So never fear the road ahead. Let courage be your guide instead. Fear means being afraid. Courage means bravery. And guide means something that leads you in the right direction. The message is to move forward with courage instead of fear. One day life will softly say, "You never failed. You simply learned your way." The final message of the poem is very powerful. Failed means not succeeding, but the poet reminds us that every mistake teaches us something valuable. Instead of thinking that we failed, we should believe that we learned an important lesson that will help us succeed in the future. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep reading, keep practicing, and remember, every small step you take today brings you closer to your dreams.